fraction. Do you know what is fraction? A fraction means a part of something. Like, for example, it is a complete circle. Okay? If I draw one line in between, how many parts now? Two parts. It is half. Okay? If I draw one more line, now how many parts? Four parts. Okay? How many fraction I have done of one circle, one complete circle? It has become 1/4 part of complete circle. Of complete circle. Okay? We can write it like as 1/4. Do you know what its two parts are called as? Do you know?
Yes, sir.
Its upper part is called as numerator and down one part is called as denominator. Now I will demonstrate you about fraction practically with some examples. Like here I am having a full page. Okay, you all can see.
Yes,
I am
sir.
having a full page.
Yes, sir.
Now I am folding it. How many fold?
One.
One fold. One fold, then how many parts it's become?
1/2.
1/2. Now I am doing one more fold.
2.
Then
1/4.
1/4.
4.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Then one more fold.
1/6.
1/6.
Let us see. Okay. Now I am opening it again.
1/6.
Now how many parts? You was wrong. There are 8
Eight.
parts.
7, 8.
1/8.
Okay. When I have folded one, it has divided into 2 parts. Then one more fold.
4.
4 parts. Then one more fold.
8.
8 parts. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now one more thing I am having to explain you fraction. It is what?
Apple.
An apple. Okay. I am cutting it into different parts and distributing to you all. You will learn also and you will eat also. So first I am cutting. How many parts now?
1/2.
Parts, total
Four.
parts.
Two.
2 parts. One apple was there. It was cut into 2 parts. So it is 1/2.
2.
Now again I am cutting. How many parts?
1/4. 1 into 2. 4. 4.
हाफ ऑफ हाफ, दैट इज अगेन 1/2. हाफ का फिर से हाफ किया तो ये 1/2 हो गया हाफ का. ठीक है. देन if I do it's also one more part, then
1/2. Half.
again half of half. ठीक है. It has been divided into one more part. Oh. Yes, Devendra and Harika, how many parts I have done of that apple?
7 parts.
7. But I have shown you 8 parts. Where is one part gone?
Sir, one part you are eating.
I have eaten one part because it was not in good condition. It was bad. So now we are having 7 parts. So we have fractionate. We have did fraction of one complete whole apple into 8 parts. Out of which 7 parts are here and 1 part I have eaten due to or it was damaged. Okay? It is not in a good condition. Now you can take one part and you can enjoy it. See this boy. He needs more fractions of apple, so here he is eating 3 apples. Now I am writing here some fractions and I will ask from you that what is numerator, denominator and how many parts. This is one shape I have drawn here. So Purvi will tell how many fraction, what fraction will be it. Yes Purvi, what is the fraction of this shape?
1/4.
Yeah, right answer. There was 4 parts of this shape and only one part was shaded, so the fraction will become 1/4. Again there is one shape. What is the name of this shape, Devinder? You don't know, you have read it before. It is a triangle. Now, how many fractions are there in this triangle? 1/2. You can see that there are two parts. One is shaded, one is unshaded. So, the fraction will become 1/2. So, have you all understood what is fraction?
Yes, sir.
Let me check one more thing. Niharika, this one is called numerator or denominator? And this 4 is denominator, right? Why you? So today you have learned about fraction, basic of fraction, that what is fraction and what are its parts, how fraction can be done of one whole part. A fraction is a number representing the part of whole. That part can be a single object or a group of object. How can be group of object? Like suppose I give you 6 trophies. ठीक है? We are also 6 here right now. So how you will distribute 6 trophies to among 6? One toffee to each of us. So there will be a fraction 1/6. Got it? So it is a group of objects.